Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Tuesday, April 19th, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We have some exciting things to get our YouTube subscribers caught up with. Without further ado, let's get straight into the analysis. We're going to look at the S&P, the ES, and I think we'll take a look at the Qs also. All right, we're going to start with the hourly bar chart from the all-time high on January 4th. We have 1 or A down, 5 waves. That's an overlap, beginning diagonal triangle. Then we have an A up in black, a B down, and a C up for wave 2. You can see where it hit right there on 3/29. Important turn date. We got a turn date coming up. And then we have a 1 down, okay? So that's the big picture. We've got this down in 5 waves. You can see the 5 waves with the little circles around it and the A up. We'll get into that more detailed analysis from that 329 high. Let's get right into it, okay? Here is that 329 high on a 10-minute chart of the S&P Cash Index. You can see we've got a 1 down, we've got a 2 up, a 3 down here, and a 4 up, and a 5 down here to complete the first wave of 3. That is one of the larger 3 back here. 1 with the parentheses, 2 with the parentheses, 1 of the larger 3. We could call this A and B and C. Okay, I like to put them on when the wave count is completely finished. But that's what we're looking at here. You can see we've got the dates in purple and the prices and wave count in black. Okay, I think I may have a pic of that S&P on a 10-minute chart. Let's see if we have it here. Here we go. We have it on the hourly. Okay, there's the 329 high. That's wave 2 or B. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1. And then we've got a 2 up forming today. This is wave A. We expect this 2 up. We got confirmation in the future, so we're carrying it over to the cash. But the wave 1 low in the futures was on the 17th overnight, and the cash hit on the 18th at 43.70. We're looking for 5 up, 3 down, and 5 up. Okay, that would be A up, B down, and C up. There's our targets for wave C and the larger wave 2. Okay, this B must hold above this 43.70 low, and this C up must hold below the actual high of 43.67 over here. Okay, it's carried over here. So we always know, where are we wrong? Well, it's if it goes above 43.67, okay, then it's more than 2. And if it goes below here, then this is wrong. This wave extended, okay? So we know that. We have a lot of Fibonacci targets here. And the best setup is if the higher this goes, because where is it wrong? At 43.67. So if this goes up to, I'm sorry, it's 46.37. My apologies. If this goes up to 786, that's a tight stop right there, okay? So that's what we're looking at in the cash. 5 up, 3 down, 5 up. 5 up took a day, okay? So that's the S&P cash. Let me get over to the E-mini futures. Again, we're looking at a daily bar. Okay, we have the dates and the prices in purple and the wave counts in black. Okay, except for the retracement. Anyway, we have a 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down for the larger wave 1 or A. Again, we have an A up here. You can see a B down here and a C up here in black for the larger wave 2 or B. And then we have a 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down for wave 1 of 3. Then we'll get a 2 of 3. Then we'll get a 3 of 3. Okay, so that's some pretty exciting stuff. We'll talk about that a little bit more in detail. Let's break this down and get a little closer. That's the daily chart. I think we got this from the 329 high. Yeah, here's the 329 high. There's a lot of stuff on here, so and I try to put different colors to keep things more simple, I guess, if you will. Okay, so the dates are in blue. You can see them there, and the wave counts in red. 1, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, and there's 5 for the larger wave 1. okay, and the actual targets and direct hits are all over the place, but we've been hitting these. These are within 1 or 2 points up and down and up and down. I had to make some of them littler for our monthly subscribers. They're getting these targets in advance, and they're hitting. Look at this one here is 3/4 of a point. This one's a 1/2 point. This one's a 1/2 point. This one's 3/4. This one's 1 1/4. They're all so tight. This one here, you know, 1/4 of a point. This one here, less than 2, and this one here again, like there. Okay, so it's what, 1 or 0.75, less than a point. So our targets here. Let me scroll over. I made this bigger for you guys. Okay. By the way, I got my own personal note up here. We're looking for 535. We've got A up, then B down, then C up. Okay. So after that, 3 waves up, A up, B down, C up. There's our targets again. Where are we wrong on the ES? 46.31. This wave up should not go above that 46.31. Where is it wrong? If it goes below this low here, the 43.55.50, that's the actual low of wave 5. That means this wave extended, okay? But it looks so far so good. We got 5 waves up. We should get 3 down and 5 more up. I think I have a picture of that somewhere. There it is there. There's the futures. Okay, this is the hourly bar from the March 29 high. You can see 5 waves down there for 1 of 3, okay, or C. And then we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. We'll get a B down. Should hold above the 43.70 low. There's our targets there. There's the 500. The arrow doesn't go there just because we expect it to go there. We'll measure this when the B low is in, and we'll get C high targets for our subscribers in advance, and we'll get you guys updated just as soon as possible. But these are the Fibonacci retracement targets of this entire 5-wave decline from 329 to 418. So we're looking for 5 up, 3 down, and 5 up. Okay, let me show you guys a little 10-minute. Oh, I want to show you guys this. Okay, so we had our parameter set going into this. That was that low, and this was the previous wave 4 high, which was back over here. Okay, so let me get into this. Where did I have that pre-market open report? We can put it. Let's look at here. Okay, and bear with me. Let's get into the post-market. Yeah. Okay. So you can see there. There's that same one there, okay, and I wanted to talk about too, that's where our alerts and that's was our targets there, this right here, next turn date 423. Check out this this Fibonacci spiral sequence. It has a total slippage of less than an hour from September of 2021. It's calling the next turn date on 423. That is Saturday, so we might expect this 535 to terminate on Friday. Okay, that would be April 22nd. So we'll get 3 waves down and then 5 more waves up. Remember the main purpose of of the wave 2 in a bear market is to convince everyone that the bull market has returned. Okay, and then when everyone is convinced, they sweep the rug out from under you in wave 3. Again, where are we wrong? Where are we saying, oh, it's right there. It's 46.31. This cannot go above that or it's wrong, okay? We're giving our newsletter subscribers all these targets in advance, and instead of getting whipsawed, they're doing well, okay? It's not a trading service, but we do have make or break points and targets and Fibonacci retracements and Fibonacci multiples for targets, and subscribers are using those for make or breaks for the stops and the entries and exits on the Fibonacci multiples and retracements. So we have a lot of happy monthly subscribers who are just voluntarily sharing their trades and their successes with us. Okay, so I'll just scroll through here real quick. Okay, and you guys get the picture. Okay, enough of that. Let's see what else did we want to cover today. Okay, we had those picks there. We had the this was what we're looking at coming into the day. Are we going to go below here, and that gave us triggers for lower targets, or above here, and that gave us triggers for higher targets? And you can see those higher targets are there in the E Minis. Okay, let me look at this post-market close just one more time. Okay, yeah, we had that, we had that, and we had that, and we wanted to make sure we got that spiral, and we have that. Okay, that's what we're looking at. This pretty much shows everything, or we'll get the bigger picture here. Okay, that's in the E-minis. That's what we're looking at. A 1 down, a 2 up, a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and then a 3 of 3. Okay, so we'll see how that plays out. Should play out to form. We know exactly where we're wrong and where our targets are to the upside, and we'll get our downside targets once this ABC right here is complete. A down, A up, B down, and C up. Okay, and there is our S&P again and again. And real quick review on the ABC. This is what we're looking at. A up, B down, C up, and that's it for today. Until next time, take care, everyone.